Section 9. Some useful tips.
Never be afraid to criticize, reject or return a flawed wine. Never be afraid to ask your caterer to recap a bottle to finish the wine at home. Never be afraid to try new wines, to always expand your wine knowledge. When you visit somebody and take a bottle of wine, try to explain the features to the other diners. It will be a test for you and surely a successful moment. Never refuse to taste a wine. Never judge a wine by the price. Never judge a wine by the kind of cork. Never judge a wine by the label or the shape of the bottle. Never judge a wine by the popularity of the winery which produced it. Always write notes about the wines that you liked the most. Try to taste wine with people sharing the same passion, as it will be pleasant for all to interact and directly compare your analysis, and it will enrich your experience. Always feel sure of what you say when you analyze a wine, and do not consider any unnecessary sarcastic comments of ignorant people about your practice as a wine taster, because it is only their envy. Talking about wine will give you more depth, because wine is poetry. Always respect the serving temperature and the wine will offer you its best. If you want to give a wine bottle as a present, always try to understand the type of wine that the recipient will enjoy the most, and it will be a real surprise. If you do not really like a wine, just don't drink it, because wine must be drunk just for your pleasure. Don't worry if you realize that you have become too picky about wines and you can no longer appreciate cheesy wines. It is not your fault, it's the fault of the wine that's offered to you. Stop tasting and eat some butter or fatty food if you feel that you have drunk too much. Remember to visit the Wine Notary website to find free important stuff like the printable wine tasting form sheet and the table with the list of the terms to taste properly. Thanks for your attention, and now enjoy your tasting.